guys, my name is Michael and welcome to a new GTK tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to move on with our GMenu and I'm going to introduce you a new function. In the last in one of the previous videos I was introducing you the GMenu item set attribute, and if we go to create menu item, then we saw that with the help of this function basically we were setting the accelerator. Now today I'm going to introduce you another one which is called GMenu item set attribute value. So GMenu item set attribute value sets or sets an attribute on a menu item. So the attribute to set or unset is specified by the attribute. This can be done one of the standard attributes name like label, action, target, and so on. Furthermore, the names must begin with lowercase, must not end with minus, and must not contain consecutive dashes, and so on. Okay, so basically how would you use this function, and what exactly item will you pass here? Well, we have to concentrate ourselves on the GTK application window, because that's the important thing here. The GTK application window, which is a subclass of GTK application, it has some information for you, which means with the help of this information basically you know how GMenu item set detailed action works. So if you scroll down now here where say handling fallback yourself, you will see some information like the following attributes are used when constructing menu items, and you have here label, action, target, icon, submenu, hidden when. Hidden when says it's a string to determine when the item will be hidden, and the possible values include action, disable, missing, or macOS menu bar. Well, if it's true, then let's see. I'm going to work with this one. Okay, right here. Now the next thing which we need to create as you can see here, the attribute said we need a G variant. So G variant string. No, how is that function now? Let me see. G variant new string, I think it was called. Yes, new string, and here we need to pass something, and the hidden says we also determine it used to determine when the item will be hidden. So possible values include action, disable, missing, or macOS menu. So I'm going to choose the action missing. Let me compile it and run it and see if everything works fine. It should work. Let's see, we have our menu, new, open, save, quit, close, section item, copy, cut, paste. Everything works fine. Now watch what happens if some actions are missing. So which means I'm going to remove the close, the open, and the cut in the edit. At this point, open, close, and cut are not existing anymore, these actions. Let's see. As you can see, we have no open, we have no close. Of course, the close we have it. Why do we have it? I need to check it. Anyway, yes, I know why. I'm going to explain in a second. And we have copy and paste, which means as you can see, they are gone. Now close is still there, because if we go back a little bit where we were creating our in the file menu here, like I said, if you choose menu append and you append an item right here without creating an item with item new, then you need to take another way for handling those items. And as you can see, that item, it is not found at the time we call the set attribute value, and that's the reason why it is not there. Now I want to see what happens if we call hidden when on action disabled. So let me see if disable, sorry, not disable. Now let me compile it and run it again. And you see the clause is still there, which means it is not affected, it is not found. So basically both of these things does the same thing. Okay, now the next thing which we can also work with, it will be, for example, the label, and I'm going to say item. Now when we compile it and run it, the label with the item value, it be everything named as value, as item. Of course the same thing goes future for, let's say, icon, phone, for example. If you set it to phone, then all of them are set to phone. Yes, phone, 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 and phone. So basically this is the thing which you need to take care of when you work with this GMenu item set attribute value. You just need to go to GTK application window, scroll down to its description, and down here you see the attributes for the menus, for the submenu, construction section, and for the submenu as well. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.